Is my screen is visible? Online team, can you hear me? So fine. Meanwhile, okay. Meanwhile, let me create running notes for today. Today, still we are going to running with the topic. The topic name is called as a string. Here is the 14. $28. Yeah, it's 28. Previous topic is the flow control. We already done except pass keyword actually. Now the upcoming topic name is a string. And the next topic name is a Chaptara functions part 1. Functions what exactly? Functions topic actually. I have divided into two parts, part 1 and part 2. Yeah. Let's open. I will give a small recap what we have covered yesterday. Then we can continue. I'm sure this one, let me give one more time small revision. We can continue. Get ready, man. These are all. There is a one major topic today. The topic name is a methods in STR class. Chapter andaru. We'll see. These are all step by step. We'll see. Please make a note. Let me give an idea. So yesterday we have started a topic. The topic name is called as a string. From the starting, what you need to understand is a group of characters enclosed within either it can be single quote or double quote or what exactly triple quote. That is called as a string. It is also called as a sequential collection of characters. Come on, tell me. Sequential collection of characters. And string is the more popular. You take any application. You can, best example, I'm talking with you by using string. We are communicating each other by using what exactly? String, technically, right? So string is more popular. You can go for any college or you came at Naresh IT, you have to fill your details. More data types are what exactly, Yeah, more fields are string only. Here we have seen what are all types of strings we can create. Daniel, when should you go for what course actually? My requirement will be, I wanted to create a single character, go for single quote. I wanted to create a normal string, go for double quote. I wanted to create a multi-line string. Come and talk with me. Multi-line string. Then you have to go for triple quotes. You have to go for what exactly? It can be triple single quote. It can be double single quote. The next one is called as a mutable and immutable. What is the next one? Mutable and immutable. Yesterday we have seen, what do you mean by mutable? Can be changed. What exactly? Can be changed. The best example is a list to data structure. What data structure? List to data structure. The next one will be immutable. The best example is a string. Cannot be changed actually. Cannot be changed. Okay. Now, mutable. This one is a normal definition. What definition? Normal definition. Still you can use during interview. Nothing is wrong. Can be changed. What exactly mean? Can be changed. The next one will be, let me show you the technical definition. Mutable. Next one is what exactly? Immutable, Daniel actually. This one is immutable. Who are all didn't attend yesterday's session, important sir, please be regular. I request you. Don't miss any session. Chaptara, can somebody tell me what is this one, sir? Cannot be changed. Definition. Yeah. Cannot be changed. Daniel, what can be changed, what cannot be changed? Imagine when you have created any object or variable, so that can be changed and that cannot, what exactly, sir? Change actually. So hold on. Here I wanted to make it mutable. This one is a immutable and next one is a mutable. I can make it very clearly. Hold on. And even here I wanted to make it like a normal definition. Now today let me explain about the technical definition so that you will get a very clear picture. Please make a note. Cheppandi, what do you mean by mutable? Can be changed. What exactly? Can be changed. Then what do you mean by technical definition? You know, the technical definition will be the state of, cheppandi, the state of existing object. What exactly mean? Existing object. So if you want, let us just try to look at one more time. So once we created an object, then the state of existing object can be changed. What do you mean by state? You know, nature. Cheppandi andaru. Nature. The state of existing object nature can be changed actually. This one is more technical. Daniel, I like this definition. Come on, you can proceed actually. Nothing is wrong in that. Are you with me or not, sir? Let's read one more time. Once if you create an object, okay, Daniel, then the state of existing object can be changed or modified or what exactly? Update. This is called as a mutability. This is called as what exactly? Mutability actually. I wanted to hear from you everyone. Come on, from starting to last. Once we create an object, then the state of existing object can be changed. Can you tell me immutable actually? Once we create an object, then the state of existing object. Nice man, that's it. That's it actually. This behavior is called as immutable. Practically we have seen even yesterday. String having immutable nature. Once we create a string object, then we cannot change or modify the existing object actually. We'll see today more on practical. More on practical. And we already covered yesterday. These are all. Now here onwards I need to continue. Please make a note. This one is a bit important. I need your attention actually. Team, I'm sure you already know. There are some math operators. There are some math operator actually. Especially the plus operator, the next one will be star operator. But not other operator. But not what exactly? Other operator. Hold on. Online team. What happened, sir? Does the state means content actually? Yeah, you're right. Siddiq sir, you're right. Yeah. Regarding the string flow control, let me just try to upload. Would have a examples? Would you have? Maybe today I can upload. Actually, it should be available in the Google Classroom to access all these things. Good. Let me tell you. Team, there are special two operators actually. The plus operator. The next one is what exactly? Star operator. It works with integers. It works with what exactly? Integer. Team, not only integer, it works with strings also. Interesting. It works with what exactly? String. Now let me tell you. Daniel, I have taken a string. String plus string. Back end, what kind of operation? You know, concatenation. Chappan sir, concatenation. Concatenation actually. It is also called as a joining the string. It is also called as what exactly? Joining string. Seems to be this point I already covered somewhere actually. Can you guess where? ఈ పాయింట్ మనం ఆల్రెడీ చూసాం. ఎక్కడ చూసాం? Daniel, yesterday curry we didn't know actually. We didn't remember yesterday curry. You know, how dare you are asking the question actually. Your feeling will I can understand. I will tell you. There is a topic, the topic name is called as a input predefined function, sir. What function actually? During input predefined function, I already covered actually. But anyway, let me show you. What I mean to say that plus operator over this string, or what exactly is a string? It is applying kind of some joining the string. What exactly? Joining. When you're applying star operator over the strings, or what exactly string, especially it is kind of some repeating string. What strings are? Repeating. I will show you one example. You will get an idea. You can open demo one. Yeah, the first name Kasagani. Next one will be L name. Last name Daniel. First name and last name. I just wanted to join these two. Then what we can do, you know, F underscore name plus L underscore name. Otherwise, you can still make it. First one will be A letter. Second one will be B letter. Sir, this is up to your convenient actually. This is still possible. What it is doing, you know, it is concatenating two strings. Chaptara, it is concatenating. Let me run this example. Exactly. Kasagani, Daniel. But there is no space. There is no what exactly? Space. If you wanted to give a space, explicitly you need to provide actually. So I'm sure you already know. Generally, the plus operator you can apply on numerical data. You can apply on what exactly? But let me tell you, you can still apply on string data also. You can still apply on what exactly? String data. It is concatenating the string. Either here you can provide the space, and here you will get output like what exactly, space actually. Okay, good. First one is the first name initial, last one is the last name actually. Daniel, we understand. Can you tell me about the next example? The next example will be what you need to understand. Imagine I do have a string, Daniel. It's okay. I do have a string. The string will be Naresh. String will be what exactly? Naresh. You can print like this. Daniel, I wanted to print this Naresh 3 times. How many times? 3 times. Then do one thing. Star 3. LHS side, you can take a string. RHS side, you can take a number. It can be vice versa also. Anything you can take actually. What it is doing, sir? 3 times all characters it can print actually. Okay, good. Word. First time, second time, third time. Daniel, can you give me small space? Sure, sir. Now please understand. Yeah, very good. Daniel, can I print 30 times actually? Sir, 300 times let us print actually. What's wrong in that? You can print actually, keep on. Did you understand? I mean to say that, imagine there is a, but we are not using. I will tell you, where is the use case actually. First of all, understand the possibilities. Understand what exactly? Possibility and scenario. Then later you will understand where we can apply actually. Where we can apply. Okay. Take this example. Let's move on. Yeah. So we can perform 2 math operators on a string. Those operators are called as a addition operator. The next one is called as a multiplication. So addition operator with the string, it is something like a concatenating couple of strings. It is just trying to concatenating. That's it. And the next one will be multiplication. It is working like a repetition. What operator, sir? Repetition operator, especially over the string actually. Especially over the string. Good. Length of this string. Important, sir. This one is important actually. Let me introduce one new function today. The function name is called as a length function. What function actually? Length function. First of all, length is a predefined function. Length is what exactly? It is a predefined function. Daniel, what is the usage actually? What is the usage, Usage into Chapmantara? Come on. You can go to the example. Can I close what are all we are not using? Yeah. Now we are in good. A equals to Daniel. A equals to what exactly? Daniel. Now let me just try to print and here A. Sometimes my requirement will be how many characters are available I wanted to know. What is the requirement, sir? How many characters? Tell me how many characters? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. On an average, I have taken 10 seconds. Think like I have one paragraph. What exactly? One paragraph. I wanted to check how many characters would you have actually. Then here you need to use one new predefined function. That predefined function name is called as a length. You have to spell out length, but the spelling is LEN. What is the spelling? Because the Python follows what notation? Shortest notation. Of course, it is the length actually, but the spelling is not LENGTH. If you have given LENGTH actually, you will get an error. That error name is a name error. What error? Chappalandaru. But the function you have to write what exactly? LEN. Interesting. Yeah, you are getting an output actually. You are getting what exactly, sir? Output. Length is a predefined function. By using that, you can find number of characters present in a string. Come on. Number of characters present in a string. Very simple and straight to the point. Sir, my sentences are very simple. Kindly please follow the, follow the notation. So whenever you're talking, finding, what is uses? We can find number of characters. Number of what exactly? Characters from string. Good. Now hold on. Let me provide one more small k. Yeah, what is, can you tell me what is output, sir? Chaptara? Chappan, sir? 7, very good. Now let me tell you what is output. Now I wanted to confirm one thing. The point will be space also countable. As we have discussed, space is a string. Space is what exactly, sir? It is countable. It is what exactly, man? Countable. Good. So the moment when you call length function, it is giving the number of characters. It is giving what exactly? Number of characters presence in a string. Number of characters presence in a string actually. You can take this example, you will get an idea. So the first example is not this one. What is the first example? Delete this one. Yeah. Can we list this function into functions list actually? Is it fine for you? Madam, chappalandaru. Come on, go back. Where is that all functions actually? And here it is. Now the function will be length function. P means parameter, we can talk maybe tomorrow. And to find number of values in sequence. Values in what exactly? Sequence. I can talk later. What do you mean by sequence? Why? Because length you can apply over the string, you can apply list, you can apply. What are all sequence objects would you have? Wherever sequence is available, you can apply. As of now, string is a sequence, thing like that. Hope you already know the definition of sequence actually. Yeah. Move on to the next one. We can find number of characters in a string by using length function. By using what function actually? Length function. Do you think length means LENGTH actually? Now, what is output, sir? One more time. Last time. Name error actually. This is not like, length actually. You will get an out. You will get an error. Move on to the next one. Membership operator. We already know this. But anyway, let me give a small revision actually. What operator is actually? Membership operator. S equals to, hello, good evening. I have created one string. And here I wanted to check either specific character or else specific word I wanted to check. I mean to say, good. Is that word is available in yes or not? I wanted to check. Then you can use membership operator. You can use what exactly? This is something like finding substring from main string. Cheptarandaru? Finding substring from, hello boss, this one is a substring. Is it available in main string actually? Yeah, you can check actually. To check this one, you need to use one keyword. That keyword name is called as a in. What is the keyword name, sir? For in keyword, there are two things required. LHS required, next one is RHS required. LHS required, next one is what exactly? You never ever heard this kind of terminology. LHS, RHS, only from Daniel session only. Am I right? Yes, and Japan. Yeah, good. Right, good. This RHS means what exactly? No, sequence object. What object actually? It should be always sequence. LHS should be, you can give any string data. Let me give kind of some good actually. Sorry, man. Let us just try to give good. Tim, what is your response? Is indirectly you're asking, hello boss, is it available inside of this one? Is it available? If it is available, you will get the return type as a true. Return type as what exactly? True. Chapter, what is the return type? True. If it is not available, it returns as what exactly? False. Now, can I build one small logic actually? By this time, you can digest. Let me show you one small example. Not only just finding, what you can do, okay, if, yeah, interesting. If it is available, then you can say, yeah, the word is existing. Chappan sir, word is existing. Yeah, word is existing. I hope you already know. Don't ask what is if actually, we already done. If is a keyword, by using that, we can create a condition. We can create what exactly? Yeah, if the condition result is a true, if block executes. Now let me write, if condition result is a false, now what you can tell, no word, sir. No word actually. Word is not existing. Yeah, very good. Let me take the same sentence if you want. And word is what exactly? Not existing. Very simple. Now, Chapandi, ఏ output వస్తుంది మీకు? Which block actually? If block. Very good. Let me just try to print this one. Yeah, if block is executing. Let us just try to provide especially. Chapandi, sir, what is output actually? Perfect, man. That's it actually. That's it. You can slowly by slowly, you need to build the logics actually. Wherever true came, wherever boolean came, think about if condition. Think about what exactly? Then you can improve your logical thinking slowly by slowly. Easy, man. Coding is very easy, trust me. Thank you for your trust on me. Let's take this example. Now I wanted to write both examples actually. Please make a note on this one. The first example will be good. The next example will be, you can give some different word. Hold on. Yeah, I have separated actually. Now here you can just try to give some random word actually. Team, you are getting, I guess, actually. Go back to the example. I wanted to hear from you. How many keywords we are using? Chappali. In the time, Chappan. 3. What are those? If, in, else. One more time. If, in, else. See, as I told you previously, here we need to write a condition. Here we need to write what exactly? Of course, it can be condition, or else the line which is giving the result as a boolean. Am I right or not, sir? What is the condition result? Tell me. Boolean. Yeah, of course, here this line is giving boolean. You can proceed actually. You can what exactly mean? Not only relational operator. For if keyword, immediately in the next line, you are going to write a condition. You are going to write what exactly? Not only condition, where are all boolean value result is coming, that boolean value line you can write actually. That boolean value line, what exactly you can write. These are all you can remember, you can memorize through practice. Cheppandi through practice matters. Practice seriously matters actually. Let us delete the example. You can move on. Online team, you are following, sir. I hope you are following actually. Can I get a response from you? Let me drink water meanwhile. Online team? Yeah, good. Shafina ma'am, thank you. What about others? Only 2 responses I got it. Yeah, okay. Now let's move on. Go back. Where are we? Kindly please walk through. We can check if a string or character is a member of string or not by using in and what exactly? Not in operator. We can check if a string is substring of main string or not by using in and what exactly? Not in operator. In operator returns true if the string or character found in main string actually. A simple definition. Team. P, why red color? P in Python, what is the result? True. Z in Python, false. On in Python, చెప్పండి. True. Why? Because specific word you are checking, you can check. Specific character also you can check actually. Why? Because that is a string. PA in Python, false. So if in is giving result as a true, not in gives result as a false. This is something like a Tom and Jerry actually. We covered these are all. Not in operator. The not in operator returns the opposite result of what exactly? In operator. Not in operator returns true if the string is not available in main string actually. See, team, can I tell apple? What is the spelling actually? APPLE. Then we already know B is not available. What is not available? B is not available. First do one thing. B not in apple. Exactly. That is a true. Am I right or not, sir? Otherwise do one thing. First to delete this not. Apply in. What is the result you will get actually? False. Then what is the opposite result actually? True. Then opposite result you will get what exactly? No, for not in. If in operator is saying yes actually, not in operator will say no. Am I right or not, sir? Good. But not in we are not using regularly. We are not using what exactly mean regularly. Okay. Now this one is seriously interesting topic. Yeah. Please make a note. One small point here I wanted to cover. Who already know Python? Who already know? If you are in the feeling of like, I already know Python, get ready. There are a lot of things you are going to learn today actually. Who don't know Python, keep calm, maintain the same silence actually. You can understand many things actually. Are you with me? Now the topic name is what exactly mean? Methods in string. You know what? Minimum 3 interview questions actually. How many questions, sir? 3 interview questions. 3 interview questions. Every point is important from here onwards actually. Every point is important. Every point is important. Now get ready to understand. Methods in string. One more point. Only the introduction. I will give only introduction is almost 45 minutes, sir. How long time actually? 45 minutes actually. After maybe let me try 30 minutes or 40 minutes actually. After 45 minutes only, then we are going to read this word actually. Get ready to understand. Means that much very important. I would like to explain about the fundamentals actually. What is happening? Even maybe this point we may read tomorrow, that is still fine. But today, the next 30 minutes or 45 minutes will be very, very important actually. Get ready to understand. Are you ready? Come on, let me tell you. I just wanted to hear from you. What is the topic, sir? Chapani? Methods in string. What is the topic? Methods in string. Good. Now hold on. If you wanted to understand about this point actually, there are 2 points you need to be understand. Come on, listen. There are how many points you need to be understand? Harry Daniel, I wanted to get a very clear picture about this point actually. If you wanted to understand about this point very clearly, there are 2 points you need to understand. First point is a str is a predefined class. Chapandi, str is a predefined class. One more time. str is a predefined class. How to prove, sir? Ela prove chestam manu? Create a equals to double quote Daniel. Then how to check that is the string actually? Adi string ani ela prove chestam? Yeah, good. What is that one? Type. Very good. Second point will be, generally speaking, class contains method. Okay, interesting. Class contains what exactly? Methods. Class contains methods. New point for you. Let me prove these 2 points actually. First point, str is a predefined class, Daniel. How simple it is, create a equals to double quote. And this one is what exactly, print of type of a. Print of what exactly? Type of a. And you will get the output will be, em output also sir meeku ekkada actually ga, it is a class. And what is a class? We can see later actually. What is a class? We can see later during object oriented programming. What programming? Object oriented programming. I just wanted to hear from you. If you wanted to understand about this heading, there are 2 points, be clear. This is something like we are going to prove a plus b whole square equals to how much actually? A square plus b square plus same theorem we are going to prove. First point we cleared actually. The second point is what exactly, man? Class contains method. That one is a major point actually. Hold on. Team, you have to listen carefully. Imagine someone is trying to explaining about the class. Someone is trying to explain about what exactly? Imagine someone is trying to explain about the class. Then class contains method. Class contains what exactly? Method. Now hold on. We are entering into such a beautiful discussion. The point will be. Get ready. To prove this point, we are traveling into such a nice discussion actually. Yeah, good. Let us take any Python program. Chapani, any Python program. Team, you can implement it in a 3 ways. The cinema started actually. You can implement in how many ways actually? 3 ways. The first one is called as a procedure oriented. What is the first one, sir? Procedure oriented. Okay. Procedure oriented approach. Procedure oriented approach actually. You can use procedure oriented approach. I will tell you what do you mean by that. Second one is called as a function oriented approach. What is the second one, sir? Function oriented approach. Function oriented approach. Third one is called as a object oriented approach. What is the third one, sir? Object oriented approach. I just wanted to hear from you. Take any example. I'm going to take that any example. If you want, you can implement in a 3 ways. You can implement in how many ways actually? 3 ways. First one is called as a, madam, procedure oriented approach. What approach actually? Sir, the second one is called as a function oriented approach. What is the second one? Third one is a object oriented approach. Third one is what exactly? Yeah, you know what? This point, where is the point actually? This point, class contains method, belongs to the third point actually. Belongs to what exactly? Object oriented. But before that, there are 2 more points you need to be understand. That's what I know. I know very well what is a real important sequence actually. Are you ready? Let's continue. Are Daniel, what do you mean by procedure oriented approach? Sir, how simple it is, What do you mean by procedure oriented approach? Writing a program, writing a what exactly? Program by using procedure. By using what exactly? Procedure. That is called as a procedure oriented approach. Very simple definition. My definitions are very simple. Come on, Chapani. Writing a program by using, Daniel, what do you mean by procedure? Sir, this is called as a procedure. Hello? Yeah. Good evening. This is called as a, you are writing like a sequential, one by one actually. You can still also call as a procedure. Good evening. Good evening. This one is called as a procedure oriented approach. What approach, sir? I need a big sound actually. Procedure oriented approach. Now, can you tell me there are how many ways to create any kind of example? 3 ways, boss. First one is a procedure oriented. Second one, function oriented. Third one, object oriented. Cool. Procedure oriented. Do we need to run this example? Example run cheyala? Come on, sir. By this time, meeku telavali. You should know this example by this time actually. Daniel, this one is a procedure oriented. Done. Now let us enter into the next one. What is the next one? Function oriented. Such a nice discussion. Such a nice discussion. Go back. Function oriented approach. Daniel, what do you mean by function oriented approach? Writing a program. You can tell me. Writing a program by using function. Simple. We are going to write a program. We are going to write what exactly? Program by using function. That is called as a function oriented. That is called as what oriented actually? If you wanted to understand about the function, first of all, let me tell you, that one is a separate topic. I hope you already know that one is an upcoming topic. Functions part number 1. I already keep heading actually. Anyway, that I'm going to explain end to end later actually. But today try to realize. Daniel, I wanted to understand about function oriented approach. Then get ready. There are 2 points you need to be understand. There are how many points, man? 2 points. First one will be how to create a function. Okay. Second one will be how to call a function. How to call what exactly, sir? Function. Come on. I wanted to hear from you. Boss, what do you mean by function oriented approach? Writing a program by using function. Cheptarandaru? Writing a program by using function. That is called as a function oriented approach. Daniel, I wanted to know about the function. Sir, do you wanted to know about the function actually? Get ready. 2 points you should be very clear. How many points you should be very clear? 2 points actually. First point is called as a, can you spell out actually what is the first point? How to create a function. Come on, tell me. How to create a function. I will show you. The second point will be, once you create a function, immediately the next step is a call a function. What is the next step actually? Calling. That is something like a how to call a function. How to call what exactly? Come on, let me show you. Daniel, how to create a function? Sir, very simple, sir. These are all points. We can create a function by using def keyword. What keyword actually? Def keyword. Come on, let me show you. Let us just try to, let us just try to proceed actually. All right. Don't we use function in case of procedure oriented approach? Sir, at last I can compare. Which is the best? Siddiq sir, I got your point actually. At last, end of this session, now we are moving on with the discussion. Let me hold all of your questions actually. We are in the flow. Let us continue. All right, no worries. We are discussing about function oriented. We are discussing about what exactly function. 2 things you should be very clear. First one is create a function. Next one, call a function. Sir, you have to tell. First one is a create a function. Next one, call a function. Good, very good. Let me create a function. The function will be def. Yeah, we can create a function by using def keyword. By using what keyword, sir? Def keyword you are giving. Very easy. These are all very easy. After def keyword, RHS required. What is required? That RHS is a name of the function. Intentionally, I'm giving my name so that you can understand we can give any name. Generally, why I'm giving my name, I like my name very well. Generally, everyone like their name very well actually. Am I right or not, sir? So imagine if I have given here something like a display. Imagine I have given the function name is what exactly? Display. Again, counter question, what is display? Are you with me? Right. Now let me give here something like a Daniel or Naresh, anything actually. Good. After name of the class, after name of the function, here you need to provide parenthesis. What we need to provide? According to the syntax. After parenthesis, you need to provide column symbol. What symbol? Team, did you remember? Wherever column came. Next line is a very nice, man. Come on, let me write def Naresh parenthesis column. Column or semicolon? Column. Go to the next line. Done. Hello. Yeah. Same output let us bring. Good evening. Let us just try to print what exactly? Good evening actually. Very good. Successfully we have created a function, man. Successfully I have created what exactly? Function. Very simple. If you wanted to create a function, you have to use def keyword, name of the function, parenthesis, column symbol. Come to the next line, one indentation, first line, second indentation, second line. These are all things actually. Let me run this example. Let me run what exactly? This example. Good. and I am saving this example. Let me run this one actually. Come on, చూడండి example run చేస్తున్నాను. Sir, what happened actually? చెప్పండి. No output. What happened actually? No output. The point is, once you created a function, we should not celebrate the festival immediately. What we need to do, do you want to see this output actually? Call the function. What we need to do? One more time. Yeah. Calling function syntax is go to the last line, and here what is the name of the function? Name of the function చెప్పండి. Naresh. Just to provide parenthesis. For your better understanding, if you want, you can copy from here to here. Don't copy column symbol actually. That's it. This is called as a function creation. Madam, function calling. Successfully we done actually. See the output actually. Wow, we got it. Team, previously what approach, man? Yeah, what approach I have used here? Procedure oriented. What approach actually? This is the proof. You can use procedure oriented. You can use function oriented. You can use what exactly? Function oriented. Can we create a few more function so that you can get hands on actually? Make manchi idea vastadi. Are you ready? Come on. After function created, then we need to call function for output. Yeah. Do you want output actually? Call the function. You know what? These are all, let us just have to make it separately so that it is very easy actually. Yeah, good. We'll do one thing. Let us just have to create, your name? Rajesh. Let us create a Rajesh function. Print. Here I would like to write, this is Rajesh. This is what exactly? Rajesh actually. Now let us just have to create, madam, your name. Oh, sorry, DEF Jahnavi. JAHNAVI. Yeah, sure, ma'am. I'm sorry if spelling is wrong. I'm sorry. Now let me just try to write even here. This is, imagine you can take, this is Jahnavi. Yeah, good. Jahnavi. And we'll do one thing. Let us just try to write here and here working in Infosys. You can write actually. Imagine working in Infosys. Tim, can I ask a question? How many functions I have created? 2 functions. Good. And this one, let me just try to keep like, working in Google. Good. So there are 2 functions. I hope you already know the name of the function. First one Rajesh, the next one is a Jahnavi ma'am actually. Now, good, let me tell you. If you are executing this example, are you expecting any output actually? Chappan sir. Why actually? Yeah, please be clear. Please be clear. This is something like there is a person is available. If he is available until you call, you cannot respond. Best example, sir. Imagine in a room, I am available. My mother is calling, Array Daniel. Then I should respond actually. I should what exactly, sir? Respond. Are you with me? Good. Now you can just try to come here, Rajesh, and you can just try to come here. What exactly? Let us call this ma'am actually. Good. Now, first let me call this one. Now you will get output first to Rajesh function output actually. Am I right or not, sir? Now let us just try to call Jahnavi ma'am. See, you can get both output actually. You can get what exactly, ma'am? Intentionally I am giving student name so that you can confirm we can give any name. You can give what exactly? Any name. Very good. What is the time? 6:10 actually. Are you clear this till now actually? Can I get a response actually? Yeah. Can I give a small recap so that we can enter into the third approach? What approach actually? Go back. Any number, good question, sir. Any number of functions we can create. That even I can cover in upcoming session, which is called as a function. Good question. Array Daniel, how many functions we can create? Up to us. But in a real time, in a single module, more or less than 10 to 15 functions we are creating. 10 to 15. It's not a based on requirement we can create. It's not like you have to create. It was not like that. Based on requirement. Chappan sir. Today the topic name is a methods in a str class. What is that one? Methods in a str class. I supposed to jump directly from here actually. No. Let me give a small quick introduction. If you wanted to understand about this point, there are mainly 2 sub points you need to be understand. First point is str is a predefined class. Chappan andaru. str is a predefined class. We are very clear about this point. Next point is a class contains method. Generally speaking, class contains what exactly? Method. I'm going to highlight that point only. First point we have proved practically. Yeah, Daniel, yes, of course, str, it is representing with what exactly? Class. I know the counter question from you. What is a class? Why class? Sir, upcoming discussion. Madam, during oops, I can cover actually. Trust me, I can cover. Yeah, here I have written a small notation. Any kind of Python program, you can implement in a 3 ways, man. You can implement in how many ways actually? 3 ways. First one is a procedure oriented. Second one is function oriented. Third one, very good. Daniel, what do you mean by procedure oriented? Writing a program by using a procedure, very simple. Even you already know very well actually. Very simple. Second one will be function oriented approach. What approach actually? Function oriented. Daniel, what do you mean by that? Writing a program by using function topic. What topic actually? Function. If you wanted to understand about the function, there are 2 points are very important. The first point will be clear about how to create a function. Cheptarandaru, how to create a function. Once after you have created a function, the next one will be you need to call a function. You need to call what exactly? Function actually. Yeah, successfully you have written. Array Daniel, what do you mean by function oriented? I already covered here. We can create a function by using df keyword. After function is created, then we need to call the function for output. Ultimately, we need to see output, sir. We need to see what exactly? Output. To see the output, call a function. Otherwise, you cannot get output actually. Otherwise, what exactly? You cannot get output. I mean to say, these two are function creation. These two are what exactly, sir? Function creation. You can just try to say, I mean to say function number 1. Next one will be function number 2. Function created actually. Then this one is a function calling. The moment when you're calling this function will be triggered actually. Okay. Instead of this one, what is available? These are all body of the function. It will be execute actually. Same thing like that respectively the next function also. Okay. All right. Now we are entering into the major topic, sir. What is the topic? Can you guess actually? Topic ఏంటో చెప్తారా? చెప్పండి. Object oriented. What oriented actually? Object oriented approach. Now the today discussion belongs to this one. Yeah. Get ready. Daniel, I wanted to understand object oriented approach. If you wanted to understand about object oriented, get ready. There are 4 points you should be clear. Listen, this point is very, very important. Who already know Python, open your eyes and look at my screen, sir, actually. If you wanted to become very good in object oriented programming language, there are 4 points you should be very clear actually. First one will be how to create a class. How to create what exactly? Class. Okay. How to create a class. The next sentence will be how to create a method. How to create what exactly? Methods inside of the class. That word is important. Inside of the class. Inside of the class. First one, let me tell you how to create a class. I'm going to tell you how to create. Sir, class is not data science class actually. There is a separate topic. Technical discussion would have. How to create a methods inside of the class. How to create what exactly mean? Methods inside of the class. Third point will be, I will give you time to make a note actually. Come on, look at the screen. Third point will be how to create an object. Chaptara, how to create an object to a class. Generally, we can create object to the class. That's what I'm making very clear actually. I supposed to stop the sentence still here actually, but I'm extending for your better understanding. These are all sentences you never get from Google, ChatGPT, anywhere else actually. Please make a note, right? The last point will be how to call a method. How to call what exactly? Method. Very good. These 4 points you should be very clear. Come on, I will explain. Easy, very easy. Trust me. Till now, are you clear? Every point actually. Thus, you will become very good actually. Daniel, I wanted to become very good in object-oriented programming. Team, get ready. There are 4 points you should be very clear. First one is how to create a class. What is the first one? How to create a class. Second one will be how to create a method inside of the class. One more time. How to create a method inside of the class. Very good. Madam, third point will be how to create an object to a class. One more time. How to create an object to a class. What is the third point? Last point actually. How to call a method. How to call what exactly? Method. Nice. Let us start. Yeah. Can you tell me what is this word actually? Method. See here method word came actually. And what is this word, sir? Class. See here class word came actually. So this topic is belongs to object oriented approach. The topic is belongs to what exactly? You should understand this topic belong interlink with what topic actually. So be clear in this object oriented approach. You will understand that line very clearly actually. You can understand. Are you ready? Let me tell you. Team, let me tell you one important point. Generally speaking, whenever you are talking about the class, whenever you are talking about what exactly class, inside of the class, we need to create a methods. We need to create what exactly? Method. I mean to say method number 1, next one will be method number 2, next one will be method number 3, something like this. Please kindly bear with me. As of now, I'm not explaining what is a class, what is a method. Understand the syntax first. Understand the syntax first. Daniel, what is the purpose of method? Simple man, to perform an operation. Cheptara? To perform an operation. An operation. Okay, cool. Even these are all methods purpose will be to perform an operation. These are all methods purpose will be to perform an operation. But today the motto will be, if I am discussing about the class, inside class what is available Chapani? Method. Chapali. Inside class what is available? One more time. Inside class what is available? Class is something like my body. Okay, human body actually. Class is something like what exactly mean? Human body. Inside human body, think about heart. Think about what exactly? Heart actually. Yeah, this parenthesis required. I'm sorry. Even I can talk later more and more. What is this parenthesis? These are all. You know, can I write like this? Yep. Even let me write like this actually. Good. Good. Go back. Wherever class came, sir, method is required. Think like class means human body, my body actually. Inside my body, what is available? Heart. Team. Heart can perform an operation. Am I right or not, sir? It is pumping the blood actually. Same thing like that, kidneys also. Kind of kidneys also would you have, and next one will be liver would you have, brain would you have. These are all discussion actually. These are all what exactly mean? Discussion. I'm sure you got a clear picture actually. Can I get a response from you? Good. I have one small question so that I can move on actually. I'm talking about the class. Inside class, what we can do? Methods. Inside class, what we can create? Methods we can create. Now I'm explaining about one example. That example is very, very important actually to connect with all these points actually. Are you ready? Are you ready or not, sir? Let's move on. Let me drink water. Understand this example. We are going to write very, very important example. Very, very important example. Very, very important example. Get ready, man. First point, I just wanted to create a class. I just wanted to create what exactly? Class. Good. We can create a class by using class keyword. What keyword actually? Class keyword. We can create a class by using what keyword actually? Class keyword. Yeah, class. If you are creating your own class, after class keyword, you need to write name of the class. You need to write what exactly? You know the reason why I'm giving my name, so that you can confirm, you can give your name also. You can give what exactly? Your name. After name of the class, parenthesis required. What is required? Sir, parenthesis came. Next line is a? I'm sorry, man. After name of the class, you need to provide column symbol. What symbol actually? You are surprisingly looking at me. I'm talking about the parenthesis, but there I have given column symbol actually. I'm surprised. Indian. Good. I'm sorry, go back. We can create a class by using class keyword. After class keyword, you can write name of the class. After name of the class, column symbol. What symbol? Team. Wherever column came, next line is a? Very nice. Successfully, we have created a class. First point is over. Successfully, I have created what exactly? Class actually. Can you tell me the second point? Yeah, very good. What is the next one? Method. Inside class, what we can do? Create a method. Chappalandru. Inside class, we can create a method. Team, you know what? We can create a method by using df keyword. Something like a function. That's what I covered function actually. Method and function, both are similar, but not same actually. We can talk later. Let me write here teaching. One method I have written actually. One method I have written. So DEF teaching, but we have to remember one small point actually. That point will be in between parentheses. You need to provide one extra one thing actually. That is called as a self. That is called as what exactly? Please be hold actually. What is a self? Why self? I can talk later. This one is a self, but not selfish actually. But not what exactly mean? Selfish. Come on. I just wanted to write one more time. Class, Daniel, and go to the next line. DEF. What is the method name? Teaching. Chappalandaru. Teaching. One more time. Yeah, good. Now here you can just try to create self. You can just try to create what is syntactically required. Daniel, why self? I can talk. Please be patient. Next column symbol. What symbol actually? Team. Point number 1, successfully we have created a class. Point number 2, successfully have created a method. Class closed actually, method closed. Inside this method, let me write one small sentence. That sentence will be what exactly, You can write anything teaching. I like teaching very well, sir. I like teaching very well actually. You can get that vibes also. Teaching is an operation which is performed by class. Which is performed by what exactly? Class actually. Good. Successfully I have created a class. Successfully I have created what exactly? Method. Good. Generally speaking, this print statement where it is available inside method. Ante kada? Print statement where it is available inside method. Like previously, inside function, print statements would we have? We call the function directly. We call the function what exactly? Now you guess here what I need to do actually. Call the method. What we need to do? Call the method. Let us try to call method actually. That's what, very good. Let us just try to call the method actually. Please make a note. If a class contains method, listen carefully. If a class contains method you should not call directly. Method you should not call what exactly? If you are calling, you will get an error. Method is not like a function to call directly actually. You will get an error. That error name is a name error. What error? So it is failing actually. But I wanted to call teaching. I wanted to call what exactly? Teaching. So here, if you wanted to call teaching, you need to create an object to the class. You need to create what exactly? Object to the class. Chappali. We need to create an object to the class. One more time. We need to create an object to the class. How to create an object, Take name of the class. Yeah, good. Understand here. LHS equals to RHS. LHS equals to what exactly? Very simple. Left hand side name of the variable D. Right hand side name of the class with parenthesis. Right hand side what exactly? Name of the class with parenthesis. Right hand side what exactly? Name of the class with parenthesis. Come on. D equals to Daniel. D equals to what exactly? Daniel. Team. You know what? 99% our explanation is going to over actually. How many things I have created, this program any create chesamo telusa? Class we have created. Next one is a method we have created. Next one is a object. Object we can create outside of the class. Inside of the class create cheyakudu. I can talk later actually. I mean to say that this one we are creating an object. Once after object is created, if you wanted to call this method, object name dot method name. Cheptaru andaru? Object name dot method name. One more time. Object name dot method name. This is completely object oriented approach. This is completely what exactly? Object oriented approach. Let me run this example. You know what? The same example I will explain 3 times. Don't worry. Don't worry. I will explain 3 times actually until you respond and you can understand actually. Very good. I like teaching what exactly? Very well. Very well. Can I explain one more time? Are you ready? Now here there are few points. Let us make a note. ఇక్కడ కొన్ని పాయింట్స్ మీరు అర్థం చేసుకోండి. ఆ పాయింట్స్ ఏంటంటే వెరీ సింపుల్ మ్యాన్. ఫస్ట్ ఆఫ్ ఆల్ పాయింట్స్ టు బి నోటెడ్. వాట్ ఆర్ ఆల్ పాయింట్స్ టు బి నోటెడ్? ఇక్కడ ఏమేమి పాయింట్స్ మీరు గుర్తుంచుకోవాలో తెలుసా? Daniel, first of all, what do you mean by class? Sir, class is a keyword in Python. Very simple. Keyword in Python. Next one is Daniel. What is a Daniel? Name of the class. Chappan sir, name of the class. The next one will be DEF. What is a DEF? Chappani? Keyword in Python. The next one will be teaching. Teaching ఏంటి sir? Chappani? Name of the method. Chappalandaru. Name of the method. Self. I request you, please, regarding self, I can talk later. If you want, let me open the material. Tim, that's what I'm telling. I'm capable to explain. but you cannot understand actually as of now. Go back, open material. You know what? Go to Whoops, and here I will explain what is a class. These are all things: class, object, method. Such a beautiful discussion. Can you read what is this word actually? Chadwan, only this word. What is that one? Self. I can talk later regarding self. As of now, just if you by heart also, that is fine. గుర్తుంచుకోండి. బండ గుర్తులా గుర్తుంచుకోండి actually. Good. Thank you. Where are we? Teaching is name of the method. Good. And what is the next one? D equals to Daniel. Team. This is called as a object creation. What exactly? Object creation syntax. D is called as the name of the object. Name of the object. Wow. Regarding this program, if you need explanation, means if you read these are all points, you will get an idea. If you read these are all points, you will get an idea. What is a class? What is a Daniel? What is a DF? What is a teaching? D equals to Daniel. Oh, last one we need to write actually. What is the last one, sir? D dot teaching. D dot what exactly? Teaching. Chapter method calling. What calling actually? Calling the method. Calling what exactly? Method. Calling the method actually. Calling what exactly? Method. Did you understand the example? Can I write one more time? You will get an idea. Are you ready? Good. I will tell you why this much approach actually. Why this much approach? This example, I request you, please do practice 10 times. Do practice what exactly, sir? 10 times. How many times actually? 10 times. Can you tell me what is the time? What is the time actually? 6:30. Explanation is not at over. Explanation is not at over, but till now 80% of the explanation is over. Till now, did you understand it? Right, good. Now let me help you. Let me help you. I will do one thing. The whole program I wanted to recap one more time in front of you. You will get an idea. And here I wanted to make a one more note actually. The point will be, we can call method by using object name. By using what exactly? Object name. Otherwise by using name of the object. You can also call as what exactly? No, name of the object. Method ni call cheyali ante మీరు object ni use cheyali. Daniel, can I call method by without object actually? No, sir. You will get an error. Madam, you should not call actually. You will get a name error. You will get what exactly? Name error. That is a protocol. Function you can call directly, madam. Boss, method you should not call directly. Chapani. Function we can call directly. Method we can call by using object name. By using what name actually? Object name. Object. Good. Now, let me write one more. Come on. Class Daniel. Chapani sir. Class Daniel column. Successfully have created a class. Good. Let me write method. Method name is a teaching. What I need to write? Sir, self or selfish actually? Self. It's not a selfish. Right. Now here, let us just try to write hello, good evening. Anything you can write. Hello. Let me write one sentence. Please don't sleep. Chappan sir. Please don't sleep during session. But can I tell you your response actually? No, Daniel, I like sleeping. Think like that. Array Daniel, we like sleeping. We like what exactly? Sleeping. Good. Successfully I have written a, sorry. I'm just, please don't be personal. Sleeping actually. Just a small fun. I have created a class. I have created a method. Then can I call the method directly? Very good. You got it actually. I'm very happy. If you wanted to call this method, how to call, sir? By using object. By using what exactly? That's what I explained step by step. First, you should understand how to create a class. How to create a method inside of the class. How to create a method inside of the class. Third point will be how to create an object to a class. Come on. How to create an object to a class. Object we can create to the class only, but not method. But not what exactly? Valid terminology. These are all. Let me explain. D equals to Daniel. D equals to what exactly? I'm sorry, man. I'm sorry. Very good question. Sir, here you can use A also. Object name can be anything. This is something like a variable. This is something like what exactly? Variable. Let us use A. Is it fine? Yeah. I wanted to call teaching. Can I call teaching directly? No. How to call, sir? A dot teaching. A dot what exactly? Teaching. Come on, చూడండి మీకు అవుట్పుట్ ఏమొస్తుంది ఇక్కడ. Hello, my response will be please don't sleeping during session. This you need to read actually. Come on, sir, read everyone. Array Daniel, we like what exactly? Sleeping. Seriously? No, no, right? Yeah, good. Now, let me connect actually. Small point, let us connect slowly by slowly. We have written Daniel class. Inside Daniel class, we have created a teaching method. Inside Daniel class, we have created what exactly? There is a predefined class name is str in Python. There is a predefined class name is what exactly? Str. Inside str, what is available? Method is available. Ayyo sir, మీరు చెప్పండి sir. Hold on. We can create a class. Inside class, we can create a methods. Inside class, we can create what exactly? Method. I have created a Daniel class. Inside Daniel class, I have created one method. Same thing like that. Str is a predefined class. Str is what exactly? Predefined class. Then this class contains what exactly? Methods. What are all methods? I will explain step by step. మీకు అర్థమైంది ఇప్పుడు how I connected actually. Who already know Python actually, I'm sure this kind of explanation you never ever seen anywhere else actually. I can give this guarantee. Am I right or not, sir? Very, very important actually. Very, very important. Okay. Hold on. We are almost very near. Yeah. Go back. Go back. There are 2 points. The 2 points let us pull. Let us pull actually. And let us just have to keep it here. ఇప్పుడు చదవండి మీకు అర్థమవుతుంది. str is a predefined class. Generally speaking, class contains what exactly? Very good. Class methods. Daniel teaching. str methods. What are all methods? I will tell you. Step by step I will tell. Are you clear? Are you comfortable actually? Very nice. Now let us continue. One more discussion. We are still not at end. As I told you, definitely 10 more minutes of explanation would have actually. I hope this explanation you can easy to understand. Now my explanation you can easy to understand. Let me write one more method. And here def, the first one will be teaching at Naresh IT. Let us just try to write at Naresh IT. At Naresh IT. Next one will be def preaching also. I'm a preacher actually. Self, you know, you can just try to kept here at my father church during Sundays actually. The next one will be def working. At GA company. GA company actually. Very good. Now, why I have written, you will understand. Please listen carefully. Team, you know what? What is the name of the class? Cheppandi. Daniel. How many methods I have created? Very good. Understand. Inside a class, you can create any methods actually. What is the first method? Teaching. Next one, preaching. Next one, working. One more time. First one, teaching, preaching, working. We'll do one thing. Let us access all methods. Let us access what exactly? All methods. Chaptara how to access actually? D equals to Daniel. Very good. Now, D dot teaching. Done. Let us call this one. Children, here call cheddam. Wow. At Naresh IT. I wanted to call preaching also. Yeah, you can call actually. These are all methods. You know, let me call D dot what exactly? Working. D dot what exactly? Working. Right, good. Very good. Successfully understand actually. Now I wanted to give a conclusion. We can call a method by using object, no matter what our method is actually. Either teaching, working, you know, some other method actually. Miru, okay, any number of classes. Yeah, you can create other objects also. That I can talk later actually. Good. Imagine inside class, 3 methods would you have? How many methods would you have? 3 methods. If you wanted to call this method, definitely, sir, 101% object is required. What is required actually? Daniel, no, I will not create object actually. Then no way. You cannot call the method. You cannot call what exactly? Method. Did you understand? Good. Now here is important interview question. Here is one important interview question. What is that important interview question, you know? Hello, Daniel. I have created a class. I have created what exactly? Class. Inside class, how many methods would you have? You can chop on any methods on 3 methods on. Now, I wanted to prove practically. I wanted to prove what exactly? Practically. How many methods are available inside class? I wanted to see how many methods are available inside class actually without touching the class. Then there is one predefined function in Python. That predefined function name is a dir. చెప్తారు అందరూ dir of name of the class we need to provide. What we need to provide, sir? Name of the class. Name of the class. Name of the class. dir is the name of function. By using this one, what we can do, inside class, how many methods are available, you can find out. Chapani? Inside class, how many methods, we already know how many methods are available, but let us prove practically. Always you have to see output on the console. Then you have to believe actually. Meeku ardhamayinda? Madam, I need a response. Good. We'll do one thing. One more small interesting point actually here. dir function. First of all, it is a predefined function. It is what exactly? Predefined function. Yeah, good, very good. By using this, we can find number of methods. Number of what exactly? Methods in చెప్పండి in class. అంటే క్లాస్ లోపల ఎన్ని మెథడ్స్ ఉన్నాయో మనం చెప్పొచ్చు. Please look at my screen. I will give a time actually. One important point here. Interview they will ask actually. Whenever you are calling dir function, it can return two types of methods. It can return how many types of method? Two types of method. In the next 5 minutes, I am going to close the explanation. Please be bear with me actually. First two types of methods will be with underscore symbol. What symbol, sir? With underscore symbol. With underscore symbol methods. Okay, cool. Next method will be without underscore symbol. What is a with underscore symbol? Without underscore symbol. Symbol. Right. Team, you know what? This is not much important. No need to focus as of now. No focus. No focus actually. This is focus is required. This is what is required actually. I mean to say, can I write actually? Not important. As of now, not important. As of now, we can talk later. I have a small point for you. Whenever you are calling dir function, it returns two types of outputs, sir. రెండు రకాల అవుట్పుట్స్ వస్తాయి మీకు. ఒక అవుట్పుట్లో in one output, all are underscore names. Method name can contain underscore, underscore, underscore. These are all things actually. And second one will be without underscore. Second one will be what exactly? Without underscore. Without underscore. Okay. Now you can just try to come here. Yeah. Are you ready? Let me run this example. Py. Wow. See, as I told, underscore, underscore class, underscore, underscore something, blah, 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 blah. You can ignore actually. Yeah. The last methods. Exactly. According to the alphabetical order. First one is what method? Preaching. Next one, teaching. Next one, working. Very nice. But anyway, underscore symbol is not important for us actually. What you can do, here, you can just have to delete these are all. You can just have to add these are all things actually. Very good. Let me give a conclusion. Let me give a conclusion. Here is the point. Here is the point. The point will be, are you ready? Can I continue? Just 2 minutes. There is a class, the class name is a Daniel. There is a class, the class name is a Daniel. Method 1 I have created, method 2 I have created, method 3 I have created. There are 3 methods I have created. Teaching, preaching, working. Good. There is a class name is str. There is a class name is what exactly? Str. Method number 1, method number 2, method number 3, would you have these are all methods? Now I have one question. Inside Daniel, inside what exactly? Daniel, how many methods are available? Chaptara, how many methods are existing? How to find out actually? By using Chapani, dir. Okay, now get ready. Inside str, this is seriously interesting. Inside what exactly? Str, how many methods are available? How many what exactly? Methods are available. I wanted to see how to check actually. By using dir only. Are you with me or not, sir? Prove. డానియల్ లోపల ఎన్ని మెథడ్స్ ఉన్నాయో చెక్ చేయాలి అంటే డానియల్ ఈజ్ ఏ క్లాస్ ఎన్ని మెథడ్స్ ఉన్నాయో చెక్ చేయాలి అంటే వీ నీడ్ టు యూస్ dir ఫంక్షన్. వీ నీడ్ టు యూస్ వాట్ ఫంక్షన్ యాక్చువల్లీ? ఐఎమ్ ఫ్రమ్ తెలుగు, ఐఎమ్ ఫ్రమ్ ఆంధ్ర, ఐ కెన్ స్పీక్. ఎనీవన్ డోంట్ నో తెలుగు హియర్ యాక్చువల్లీ? సీరియస్లీ డోంట్ యూ నో తెలుగు? ఓకే, విచ్ లొకేషన్? కర్ణాటక. ఓ ఎల్ఈది. ఓకే, ఆల్ రైట్. లెట్ మీ టాక్ ఇన్ తెలుగు ఓన్లీ. ఐఎమ్ సారీ. Inside Daniel class, inside what exactly? Daniel class, how many methods are available? If you wanted to find out, you need dir function. You need to use what function? Dir function. Daniel, same thing like that. Inside str class, how many methods are available? What we need to use, dir we need to use. What we need to use actually? dir we need to use. Any number of methods we can create. No limitation. No limitation actually. That's what I can talk later actually regarding the self. We already discussed actually. That's mandatory, sir. That's mandatory actually. Okay. Good. All right. Maybe it's the right time. I need to stop the session now actually. As I told you, 45 minutes explanation. Till I didn't read the first point actually. But the whole explanation what I have given, very, very important, sir. And I will give recap tomorrow also one more time. Can I get a response? Did you understand? Tomorrow I will explain the whole explanation one more time and we can continue with the discussion. But don't miss tomorrow's session. Don't miss what exactly? Tomorrow's session. Come on, sir. Cheppane. Any question you can ask. That's what we're doing, sir. Yeah, we can do that. Good question. What our friend is telling, Are Daniel, can you use one single object actually? Can you use what exactly? One single object to call all method actually? Yeah, we can do that. D dot what exactly, preaching. And D dot what exactly, working. D dot what exactly? Working. Let me ask you one simple question. My question will be, by looking at this line, only look at this line, you have to think automatically, this one is object to the some other class. That one is object to what exactly? Some class. This one is a method calling. This one is what exactly? Method calling. This one is what exactly? Method calling. Now, upadu cheptara. S equals to, imagine something like a hello. Imagine something like what exactly? Hello. S dot upper. S dot what exactly? Upper. Anyway, just to try to compare this one and this line actually, can you tell me what is the teaching here actually? Method. Chappal andaru. Then can you tell me what is upper actually? You got it, sir. Inside str, there is a method. Method name is a upper. Method name is what exactly? That's what I wanted to prove actually. That I can tell directly with you. But these are all I have explained. There is a class, object, method. These are all discussion you need to be understand actually. Do you wanted to see output actually? Yeah, come on. Let me just try to run this example. S equals to. Let me write hello. Now you can just try to print yes. And you can just try to use S dot upper method. What method actually? Upper method. Nice explanation. I'm sure you connected actually. Wow. Seriously beautiful, man. You got it actually. Anyway, what is this S? These are all I can talk later actually. I just wanted to hear only one sentence. S is object. S is what exactly? Object to the string class. Object to whom actually? Upper is a method. Upper is a method inside string class. Inside what exactly? Don't ask a question why you are calling S dot upper actually. Just know I covered. D dot teaching. If you understand D dot teaching line, I'm sure you understand S dot upper actually. S dot what exactly? Upper. There is a much discussion. I'm not in a hurry actually. We kardo in the topic. Did you understand? I request you do more revision today topic. More and more revision actually. Especially there is a initial I have given example, right? Daniel teaching. That example do 10 times practice. How many times practice actually? Tomorrow session it's very easy. But anyway, tomorrow the whole explanation I will give you one more time actually. Please don't miss the session actually. Can I get a response from you? Cheppandi. Come on. Exactly, predefined method inside str class. Inside str class actually. Okay. Anyway, let me stop this discussion. Why? Because let me continue tomorrow actually. The next session. Tomorrow I will start from methods in str class. What class actually? str. That is the next session. First to 15 minutes. Online team, what about you, sir? Did you understand today explanation? First to 15 minutes, it's a recap only. It's recap only. After 15 minutes, I can explain actually. Let me walk through all your, queries actually. No response. When you will teach attribute reinitialization? When you will teach attribute reinitialization? I don't know your name. Sir, that is upcoming topic actually. That is what exactly? Upcoming topic. Pish Kumar, what will happen if you don't give self act? I'm sorry, Govinda sir, if you're not giving self actually, generally you will get an error. You're an amazing, seriously. Thank you, man. Next point will be The recorded lectures list. Serious. You should get recorded sessions actually, I hope. Check with admin. Check with admin. Admin will share with you actually. Good. Let me continue tomorrow. Is it fine for you? But today's session, do revision. Today's session, do what exactly? Anyway, I'm maintaining the running notes. We are sharing our Google Classroom. From the running notes, you can download. If you want, you can maintain your running notes also. That is still fine. But I'm sorry. Sometimes I may not give the time to make a note actually. Am I right? Yeah, that is. Please don't scold on me. Can you suggest website for the real-time scenarios actually? Mahesh Verma. All right. 1 minute. Sir, we are teaching real-time. We are teaching the same. We are teaching the same actually. Same. Please be patient. See. Please be patient. See actually. One more point. During data analysis, you will understand more and more actually. But let me tell you, to understand about the data analysis, what are all things I am covering, very, very important. So we are teaching the real time. But anyway, let me answer your question. Check Kaggle website. Kaggle actually, www.kaggle.com. Kaggle.com. You can check actually, you can get all real-time scenarios. All right. You know what we done for today's session? Nityanand, let me check, sir. Maybe I need to check again. Sir, we can discuss later. It's the right time I need to upload the material. Please understand the object-oriented approach what I have explained. Very important. Please don't miss that. String seems to be the PDF I already uploaded actually. Today I need to upload only running nodes. Today I need to upload only what exactly mean? Running nodes. Come on, let me upload. Get ready. Tomorrow come with good preparation. 10. All right, man. We're done actually. So I hope you are uploading here running notes. Let me click on. I hope you are getting right. Up to date, you are getting materials actually, right? And if anyone don't know, kindly please install Google Classroom app actually. You will get a notification once I uploaded the material. Thank you. Thank you everyone. We're done for today's session. Thank you so much. All right. Online team, we're done for today's session.